Guys, we just arrived in Belgium. We just arrived in Brussels. Mga bibi, ito po yung aming tirahan overnight. So, living area. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. May kitchen sila. Ayan, dito kami ni Mags mamaya. At sa labas na yan ay puro siya shopping center. So, nasa sentro din siya. So, it's not bad, guys. Ito mga bibi ko. Bilisan nyo na. At ang araw ay nauubos.
Pwede na kasi siguro di mag-jacket.
Ikaw. Bathroom. Oh, sige.
Sa atin, apat, tatlo, hindi pwede.
Oh, ayan. Dito sila. Oh, maganda naman ang kwarto nila. Oh, ayan din. May kwarto din sila. Oh, it's not bad.
Dito din ako.
Dito kami sa labas.
Doon kami.
Isa may lamesa, ito lang lamesa.
Dito kami sa labas. Oh, guys, mga bibi, this is the Royal Palace. Yan si Siggy kasama ang Royal Palace. Yan. Nandito na kami. Oh. Guys, ang daming tao. Syempre, let's go party. Look at that. Yeah. Na home. Nice,
Let's see like this thing.
Ayan, it's 9 o'clock at Brussels, but still, it's so bright and bright and bright. Oh, bakit ba? So, nag-i-enjoy pa din kami. Ayan, ang dami pa rin tao. Look at that. Oh, 9 o'clock, it's almost 10 o'clock. Wala na po akong lipstick. Wala nang lipstick kasi kumain na po kami. Kumain na po kami ng masarap na Vietnamese food sa Brussels. O, saan ka dyan? O, ayan. Doon tayo. May libreng tsokolate na naman. I am going to find the mannequin piece. Here you are. That's what we're looking for. Ah, ang sarap niya, no? Oh, diba? Mga crepe yan with different fruits and filling. Nice. Diba? Yeah, it looks yummy. Ayan ang kanilang mga ginagamit dito para magbiyahe-biyahe ay scooter.
Polis na yan.
Kasi European yun eh. Yung na may restaurant siya.
Guys, tingnan nyo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Ito po yung aming view. Teka ha, pakita ko sa inyo. Balik na rin natin yung camera. Guys, we are just in front of my favorite McDonald's. Ayan siya, oh. Nasa pinaka-center kami. Ayan, ayan kami. Ayan, mga kalat ko. Mga kalat. Pero maganda itong lugar na ito, di ba? Ang laki. And guys, ayan ang aking mga kasamahan. They are so busy. They're busy cooking breakfast.
Topic mo yan.
Handa na ang mga breakfast.
Daddy, dito ka sa
Breakfast.
Diyan si ano, si Warley, dito ka. Si Bossing.
O, kailangan tatayo na lang ako.
Ayos na mo lang. Sundok.
Lagyan natin ng
Tayo na yan.
maglagay ng toyo.
H, hot.
Anong H?
Hi. Naka-hi ba siya?
Mainit pa siya. Hot.
Hot.
Kung sinong gusto. Ayan na, labas ang mga gamot. Ayan, labas ang mga gamot. Saan ang mga gamot? Ayan na sila, puro gamot ang mga hawak. Yan, sige, pagkatapos kumain.
Minom.
Good morning, Brussels. Yeah, it's our second day and now we are watching the marathon. Hello. You are. Nice. This is what we found in our second day in Brussels. They've got a marathon. Look at this. There's so a lot of festivities here. Yes, yeah, we just came on time, in the right time. Last night we've been watching concert and today here we are. We're watching marathon. Nice. Ayan na siya, mga bibi ko, oh. We are at the Grand Central Station of Brussels. Kaya lang, hanapin natin ang ating papunta sa... Bibi, we're looking for someone to tell us if we are able to change our ticket. Because we want to go to Cologne now and explore Cologne instead of just sitting here. I need to speak to someone. Kasi walang tao dito. Wala silang ticket net. Ticket area? I'm not so sure. Where can I find? Where is the information? Square. I'm not so sure. So, we will find out kung saan tayo makatanong. Kasi, kailangan natin magtanong kung pwede na kami makalis papuntang Cologne. Maybe here, oh, they've got a lounge. Guys, we are going now to Cologne, Germany. So, we're not going to wait for our real time. So, pwede naman daw kami palang sumakay ngayon na. So, sakay na lang kami. Tapos doon na lang kami mamasyal and we will wait for our train going to... Where are we going? Yeah! Yan! Ay, itsura ng mga train nila. Double-decker train. Yan, oh, double-decker train. Go!
Luxembourg kasi Germany ba yun na yun?
Oo. We're going to Cologne. We're going to Germany now. So, hindi kami sure sa aming train na sinakyan, pero hindi bale. As long that we are still in Europe, we will be okay. Diba? And guys, it's time to say goodbye to Brussels because we are going to Cologne now and that is Germany. Pupunta na kami ng Germany. Doon kami magka-catch ng train going to Vienna. Medyo maaga kami. So, nag-lunch lang kami. Siyempre, pag holiday maker ka, ang lunch mo, sandwich lang. Sandwich, chichirya, coke, water. Yun lang yung kaya namin kainin. Mamaya na kami kakain ng proper meal. So, sa ngayon, mabilisan. So, sandwich lang. So, goodbye. Goodbye, Brussels. See you again next time.